Looking for the perfect sealant / quick detailer? Then I got the perfect product for you. Let's get it.
From up the rise, yeah, we flood that shine. Rims all gloss when I hit that line. Drip too clean, yeah, the squad don't miss. Pull up fresh, that's clean car Chris.
Breaking news, the leaderboard in the Meet the Detailers app is now fully active. So make sure you get busy in the app. The more you engage is the more points you can receive, which will make it eligible to earn a free giveaway at the end of every month. All right, the winner of this month's leaderboard is going to win a rigid 4-gallon portable wet dry vac. I'm also going to include the 7-piece auto detailing kit. So remember, to be eligible to win this prize, you have to be signed up to the supporter tier in the Meet the Detailers app. All engagement in the app will translate into points, and whoever has the highest points at the end of the month will win this giveaway. Today's video is all about Gyeon's Q2M ceramic detailer. It's a slash pretty much between a sealant and a quick detailer, especially formulated for ceramic coatings. However, you can use it as a standalone product on any vehicle. It does not have to be coated. On the bottle itself, it says all surface ceramic spray detailer adds depth, thickness, extends durability of any ceramic coating. Take a look at it, guys. Also says it's slick, glossy, SiO2 detailer. You can use it on a dry surface or even a wet surface as a drying aid potentially. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do that with a quick demo. You have to use this product on a clean surface, right? So right here I have my drying towel, another towel here. The first way to apply it, I'm going to show you how you can use it as a drying aid on a wet surface. Let me just mist down the front of the ride here. Quick demo for you guys. Don't know the work truck, but it's Toyota Tacoma X-Runner. I do a lot of demo videos on my work truck. It's not coated, by the way. A lot of people ask me, Chris, why don't you coat your work truck? You know, I don't know. It's probably because I test out so many different type of products on my truck before I actually use them or decide whether I want to use them in my car detailing business. So I'm constantly like applying sealants, different waxes, so forth, stripping them down. Anyhow, that's besides the point. Back to the video about this product right here. See, we have a damp surface, just like we rinsed away all the suds when we finish washing it. All you have to do is shake up your product well. You know, you have your drying towel of choice. You can mist down your drying towel a little bit with it. Just a couple sprays. And then, you know, you just mist it lightly on the surface. Just like that. And it adds a nice slickness to it. Some SiO2 properties. And with that said, with the SiO2, you leave some hydrophobic properties behind as well, you know. So you get that nice beading. Super slick. Yeah, man, wow, I can feel that. Nice. And just like that, you dry it off the front of the vehicle, right? It has a little bit of SiO2 left behind, which is awesome. Just like so. And you know, if you're actually doing a vehicle, a real detail, you just go around the car, couple spritz. You don't need to use too much. It says you can spray liberally, but you don't need to overdo it, in my opinion. Check it out again. And then you can also use it more like a quick detailer style. You just want to use a quality microfiber towel. Prime up your towel, couple sprays on the hood. Wipe in, I already can feel it super slick. And then you flip your towel to a dry side and just finish up. Oh, that's super slick. Nice, man. Quality product. Now, what can I say about the detailer? I mean, is it a want or is it a need? In my opinion, it's a want. I don't really think this is an absolute need. Maybe more so for the DIYer or a garage kept vehicle that's probably coated. For someone who likes to actually, you know, just, you know, break out a quick detail and just wipe down the car, just finds pleasure in just taking care of their own car in the garage, wiping it down, feeling the slickness on the panels, for that type of enjoyment, you know. As a professional detailer, probably more shop guys might like stuff like this, I guess. But me as a mobile detailer, I don't particularly need this in my arsenal. I do like the product, however. Gyeon always makes solid stuff, you know. As you can probably tell, this is, I think the older packaging. I think the newer ones, they have a new packaging out, and that just goes to show how long I've had this product sitting around. And you can see the levels is pretty high, right? So I don't really use it that much. So many similar products on the market to use as drying aids and to add protection as a quick detailing style. I mean, but you know, like I said, it's more of a want, in my opinion. Solid product though, so shout out everybody at Gyeon. It's a quick demo for you guys. It's your boy Clean Car Chris coming at you again, 4 o'clock every Wednesday. Share, like, share, subscribe, hot content, product reviews, in the field details, all of them things. Meet the detailers, check out the series, guys. We out.